we'll see how that will work. I hope it will. So I'm also buying my plane ticket today, because if I'm gonna forget about that, the plane tickets actually, the prices are lower now. I've noticed. I can tell you, if you're interested, this is very cheap. I'm surprised. You will not believe.
Yes.
Okay, this is extremely cheap. I was looking, let's say I'm gonna travel to Croatia. So Croatia is not like Austria, it's not like Italy. So you have, in Vienna, you have an international airport. In Italy, you have an international airport.
Yeah.
Of course, it's gonna be cheaper and faster to get there. But if I'm looking at some like small airport in Croatia, definitely it's gonna be much more expensive. It's not. So it is only $350 Canadian dollars. That's
one way or two way?
One way. But that's very cheap. That's
very
like
cheap,
what?
Yeah.
200 euro for an international over the Atlantic, interatlantic.
It's very cheap for this flight.
Yeah, very, very. So I have to do it. Otherwise, maybe things are gonna go back to normal, and then prices are gonna.
So it's just for a vacation or discovering.
It's vacation. Yes, I need a vacation. Definitely, I would love to be there because it's still summer. Croatia has really, I think, in Europe, Spain and Croatia and Greece. So I think 3 countries in Europe have the best beaches, definitely.
Yes.
And Croatia is definitely one of them, and I would love to be there, of course. The second thing is, this company would like to meet me maybe in October. So this company is in Europe. Maybe I'm gonna say hi, just to drop by and meet them and like, hello, nice to meet you.
And wearing some white t-shirt with a black tie.
Yeah, exactly.
Like a secretary. So, do you have friends there in Croatia?
Yes, I have friends in Croatia, in Slovenia, in Austria. Yes, I'm going to visit my friend. One friend, another friend, and then we'll see. We'll see what will happen. Yeah.
So, tell me, what is the what is the native language, like the original language?
Croatian.
Croatian.
So,
Croatian. It's totally different from English.
Yes.
Wow. So, how many languages do you speak?
Okay, you know about Yugoslavia, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it doesn't exist anymore, right? It fell apart.
Because it's separated for how?
So it started to separate 30 years ago, 25 years ago, and then I think the last, there were 6 countries, so 6 before and then just 2.
Just remind Serbia, and it's about Czech Republic, or this is another?
No, Czech is different. It's different. So Serbia, Macedonia, Bosnia, Croatia, Slovenia, Montenegro. So we had in that country 3 languages, different languages, but Serbo-Croatian or Serbian-Croatian, it was more or less the same language, and we all speak this language still, right? But I speak German as well, a little French. Okay, I'm forgetting. But German, I can speak German.
Wow, you're very impressive.
Yeah. So 4.
Yeah, 4.
Yes.
Just like me, but I speak like 5 languages. Yeah.
You see, you speak 5. What? Arabic?
Yeah, Arabic, English, Arabic.
Oh. Okay.
No, I know some Turkish. Like I can go for 5-minute conversation. After that, no, I will stop.
Burek, kaymak. Teşekkür ederim.
Kaymak. Teşekkür ederim. Kaymak. Do you like
I love kaymak, of course.
Wow.
And burek. Oh.
Yeah. Have you ever been in Turkey?
5 times.
Wow. In Istanbul or in Ankara?
Istanbul, Ankara, Afyon,
Antalya.
Antalya, Cappadocia, Pamukkale, Bursa,
Yeah.
Izmir. Yeah, I've seen something. Yeah, very beautiful. Turkey is beautiful.
Yeah. Turkey. So, have you ever tasted baklava there?
A what?
They have a famous baklava. It's
Baklava,
a
yes,
kind of sweet.
of course, yes. It's amazing. Yeah, I would
Did you
probably,
like it?
if I would live there, I would be like, yes, I loved it.
Yeah.
Delicious. The food is amazing in Turkey. It's not expensive. If you travel to Turkey,
Yeah,
it's actually
it's very cheap for living there. Yeah.
yeah, very good.
Yeah.
My favorite is still burek. You know burek? Do you know burek?
Yeah, burek. Yeah, burek.
Burek.
It's they cut it like just like this, and they prefer to eat it at the morning with the tea.
Yes, it's I really love it. Like it's very greasy fat, but I think it's delicious. I think it's delicious.
And it's introduced with the like a savory.
Yes.
Salty.
Yes.
Yes. The cheese is very salty.
Yes, it's cheese, or you have cheese, meat, spinach, things like that, right? You can have it.
Yeah. But believe me, I'm always like burek. But after I tasted the burek, I have a problem with my stomach.
Yeah, it's heavy. So, yes, it is heavy.
Yeah. I have to drink soda after it.
Yes, I understand. Of course, it is not light. It's heavy. It can
it's not light, definitely.
Yeah, especially not for the night. It's not before you go to sleep. It's morning. You need to like eat it and then go running or something.
Yeah, we have to burn these calories during the day.
Yes, definitely.
So through this through your journey, can you continue with the teaching, or just you have
I will
education?
No, I will continue, definitely. Maybe my schedule is going to change a little bit, or maybe it's just going to be in the morning.
Reduce?
I'm going to be there, so it's 6 hours difference. 6 hours, right? And I'm just gonna change my schedule. I'm gonna, teach in the morning maybe, or teach in between, or have 2 hours instead of 5 hours, right?
Yeah, I hope all the best for you, Daisy King.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you so much.
Thank you
for this lovely conversation.
Thank you. We'll see each other again. We'll talk again for sure, right?
Yeah, we have many things to discuss with you.
Yes, definitely. Okay, thank you so
goodbye.
much. Thank you.
Thank you too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.